In this video, we're going to look at how a table can make our data validation dynamic. Once again, we're going to be looking at how a table can make our data validation dynamic. We're looking at some information here. We have a header or field name, and then there's tree stores directly underneath it. Our first step, and this is the whole key here, is to create an Excel table. So I'm going to position my cursor in cell A2 directly beneath my field name, stores. Control T. We have to make sure that it's check marked here where it says my table has headers. Click OK. And as you can see, we now have a Excel table. Next, we need to highlight or create a named range. And how we do that is by highlighting from A2 to A4. Once again, we highlighted the area from A2 to A4. Go up into our name box and type in stores. Hit enter. Come out here. Make sure that our named range has taken into effect, which it has. So we have a named range called stores. Next, we're going to go into cell E1. Click on data. Come over to data validation. Click on data validation. We get our box. We need to change allow any value to list. Our data validation is going to be coming from a list. Come down to our source. And the source for that list is our named range called stores. It's best if we click or tap F3, which will list our named ranges. By clicking or tapping F3, we have one named range called stores. Click on it. Click OK. We're going to allow a list, and the name of that list is coming from the named range called stores. Click OK. Come into our box. And what's listed here is stores 1, 2, and 3. Now the difference being is that I can now go into my table and I'm going to add a new named range, or rather a new store called Kevin. Hit enter. Come up here to our data validation, and as you can see, it's been automatically added. It's dynamic because we had changed this area right off to a table. Type in beneath that test. Come up here. Click on our drop down, and now test is automatically appearing. And the reason why it is that tables are dynamic. Tables change. They are not static. Thank you.